Well, welcome everyone to video number, what is this, 15 I do believe? We're coming from an undisclosed location. We're actually in Sherman, Illinois, near where I work. But in any case, today we are going down to Irving, Illinois. And you may be wondering, what is in Irving, Illinois? Well, I assume it's probably in the title, but one of Union Pacific's, I think it's their only, maybe the only operational steam train, but it's called Big Boy. Is there even a picture of it here? Maybe there isn't. But it's a steam train that's going to go through Illinois, kind of close to where I live. And there's a schedule and everything, but it's going to stop in, let's see right here, Nokomis, Illinois at 3 o'clock. As you can see the traffic. It's going to stop there from 3 to 3:30 and then continue south. The tracks run along this road basically. So my plan is to get to Irving, Illinois, where there's plenty of parking along the tracks to see it. Because I just got off work, so I won't make it to Nokomis anyway by the time it leaves there. So assuming it leaves Nokomis at 3:30, I should be able to make it to Irving, Illinois in time to see it. So it's also going to be kind of a challenge because in this entire area there is zero EV charging. No fast chargers at all, not even CCS. The closest ones are Vandalia, St. Louis, or back up in Springfield. There is supposedly one at a dealership in Litchfield there, but it's broken. So yeah, there's no fast charging, not even any slow charging. But I should have enough to get back. See, I have like a 38% buffer to get back to here, and there's, yeah. But in any case, I gotta get on the road so I can get there in time. Well, quick update, the train is still not at Nokomis yet, where it's going to be there for half an hour, supposedly. It's supposed to be in Nokomis at 3, but it's in Rosemont, Illinois. You can see Rosemont, Illinois is there, and Nokomis is, that's a lot of red on that road there where the train is. Oh my gosh. Hopefully coming in from the other direction is going to work. I guess we'll see what happens, if it's a disaster or not. I was going to avoid Nokomis because it's going to be I saw like 3-hour lines in Rochelle, Illinois yesterday just to see it because it was parked there for a bit. But who knows if my strategy will work or not. But I think I'll be there in time. It says according to this. as of 5 minutes ago, the train was still stopped in Nokomis, but it's supposed to have left 2 minutes ago, so... Come on, isn't this tracker real time? Why is it on a 5-minute delay? It's still 5 minutes behind.
Right onto East State Street.
But in any case, we're a mile away from Irving, Illinois. Have I said Texas before? I might have. Hopefully there's not a bunch of traffic on this road, so now I just need to find a place to park near the tracks. And everything will work out perfectly, right? So I should slow down, shouldn't come into Irving, Illinois here. I bet I think I've said Irving, Texas a bunch in this video. Oh well. If there's nobody here, and my genius plan will pay off, I guess we'll see shortly. Cue 400 cars sitting next to the railroad tracks. I mean, here are the tracks right here where the train's gonna go by, but I need a place to park, obviously. Yeah, see, there's people right there. I'm just gonna go down this road. Can I just park on the side of this road? I mean, why not, right? That has to be legal. So that's what other people are doing. I'm just gonna make a U-turn and park on the side of this road here, I think. What if this is the first Tesla ever to be in this town?
In 500 feet, turn right onto North Road.
See, that'll work. Perfect. Well, I am here in Irving, Texas again. Irving, Illinois, right next to the railroad tracks where the train's going to go by. Don't even have to get out of the car. Look. But let's pull up the live tracker, the supposedly live tracker. If I have self-service here. Refresh. See, I have bars. There it goes. Well, maybe. that was totally worth it. Pretty cool train. Wish I could have made it to the place where it stopped, but people around here was saying it was a madhouse. So how am I supposed to get back home? I guess I'll just go the same way I came. Should get home with 23%, so should all work out. People on the railroad tracks are genius, I have to say. Like, what do they do? Are they... Can't be serious.
Now turn left onto North Road.
People who don't know about the train must be very confused in this town. Well, I've once again survived and made it back home. Probably won't be a very long video. I just haven't edited or anything yet, but thanks for watching. This is the total drive there and back, and that's my since charge. So the car's gone what, 172 miles, and I still have 26% left. That's pretty good, considering I lost like 5% while parked for Sentry mode and stuff. But anyway, this could present a problem because I only have level 1 charging at home, and I was planning to go to Chicago tomorrow, so it's going to take longer to get there, obviously, because I'm going to have to charge, yeah, a lot more than I usually do. Anyway, thanks for watching, and join me on the next one.